close your eyes and relax your eardrums. Can you smell the lubricating oil heating up and giving off smoke? Can you catch the steady clacking rhythm of brass gears and cast iron components rubbing against each other in the still air? Welcome to the Engine History Test Bench. In this session, we ditch the piercing roar of V8 engines. Instead, we dive straight into the teardown and ignition of one of the toughest stationary engines from Britain, Ruston Hornsby. Take a deep breath, feel the heat radiation from the gasoline torch, and let the deep exhaust pulses of this century-old cast iron block melt away your stress. The Ruston Hornsby block standing before you wasn't built for speed. It was forged to sit rooted in place, grinding out torque day and night to power pumps and crushers. Its toughness is locked into a solid cast iron body with every mechanical motion fully exposed. Its deep, heavy sound frequency delivers peak ASMR level calm. If you're hooked on raw mechanical force and want to fall asleep to metallurgical sound waves, hit subscribe to the Engine History now. Your support fuels the team to preserve these machines. Getting a Ruston Hornsby to fire forbids any rushed throttle play. Two mechanics prepare the test bench for a classic ignition sequence. No electronics, no starter motor. A gasoline torch blasts flame directly into the vaporizing chamber, heating the cast iron to optimal expansion temperature for ignition. The hissing flame, mixed with the gas and kerosene smell, creates an intensely immersive sensation. While heating, the mechanics carefully check bolts and adjust the brass drip feed lubrication system. Thick grease drops onto the connecting rod, releasing that signature burnt workshop scent. Once the chamber glows red with stored heat, the load phase locks in. To push the piston past top dead center, pure muscle must sync with the inertia of steel. Two mechanics grip and heave the massive flywheels, forcing them into motion. The silence is shattered by the sharp clack of compression valves. Boom! A deep exhaust pulse slams into the ground. The engine catches. Massive centrifugal force takes over, stabilizing the rotation. Gray smoke spits from the exhaust, confirming the engine is alive again. The steady chuffing exhaust releases a dense, iron-hard pressure rhythm. With RPM stabilized, the full mechanical blueprint is exposed on the test bench. Observe the signature open crankshaft design. No casing, no concealment. Ruston Hornsby proudly displays its connecting rods pounding up and down with brutal precision. Every piston stroke delivers torque straight into the flywheel. The sound of metal friction, intake hiss, and valve clatter merges into a deeply engaging mechanical soundscape. This frequency pulses steadily, cycling through the mind and wiping away all sharp, intrusive noise. As the engine settles into its lowest stable RPM, the flywheel slices through the still air. Standing beside this Ruston Hornsby, you feel the essence of raw pulling power rooted in endurance. This massive crude oil engine locks in the eternal fatigue resistance of early metallurgy. Vibrations travel through the ground, mixed with the scent of heated grease, completing the mission, pushing your senses into deep calm and eliminating stress. The resilience of past machinists' lives is inside every exhaust beat. Thank you for staying with The Engine History. Sleep deeply to the sound waves of cast iron and steel.